Hello and welcome to MyClassAdmin live lecture demo. Let's start. First, we'll log in. Then we will come to manage data. We'll click on video lecture option. We'll fill in the details. We'll select the year. We'll select the course. We'll select the batch. We'll select the subject. We'll select from date to date. And then we'll click on search. The list of lectures have appeared. For adding a new one, we'll click on add. We'll put the lecture name. We'll select the professor. We'll put the lecture time. Here we have a record lecture option. If you want to record your lecture, you can press yes. For now, we will press no. Then we'll submit. As you can see, lecture created successfully message has come. We'll click on OK. Then again we will click on search. Here you can see the new lecture added. Here in the right hand side we have three options. First is update, where you can change professor or lecture time if you want. Second is delete, and third is the join lecture. For now we'll click on join lecture. As you can see, we have two options, microphone and listen only. Admins or professors have to select microphone. Students may have to select listen only. For now we'll click on listen only.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Here we have public chat option, where we can send message publicly. Here and then down we have notes option, where you can share notes. Then after public chat we have actions. When we click on action button, we have three parts: start a poll, upload a presentation, and share an external video. We'll start a poll. Select an option below to start your poll. Here you have to select from any of these options. For example, we select A, B and C. As you can see, the poll has appeared. Then second we have is upload a presentation. We will upload a presentation here. We'll click on upload. Below the presentation, you can see an audio option, where you can join the audio conference. Second is share webcam. If you click on this, the students will be able to see the professor, and the professor will be able to see the students. Third is share your screen. If the professor wants to share their screen with the students, they can do this with the help of share your screen option. Then at the right hand side we have tools. For example, we will take a pencil. We will choose its thickness. We'll change its color to orange, and we'll start marking. For example, I circle this, or either I underline. Then below that there is an undo option, and below that we have delete option, which will help you in deleting all the markings together. Now we will go from student side login. As we scroll down, you can see a join lecture option. We'll click on it. Now the student have to select. As you can see, if I make any changes here and the professor side, and the student will be able to see as well. Now here we come at the last option, which is
You are currently the only person in this conference.
now turn multi-user whiteboard on. If we click on it, the students are able to now access, and they have an option to mark as well. If I want to mark as a student, the professor will be able to see the students are marking the points. If we turn off, the students are no longer be able to access the board. Then the third option is share an external video. Here you can put any video's URL and you can play the video as well. For ending the meeting, we have to come on the right hand side. We have to click on option and we have to press on end meeting. Are you sure you want to end the session? We have to click on yes. The session has been ended. Same, we will have a look from the student side. The students will get the notification the session has ended. They have to click OK. Thank you so much.